welcome to Translate, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality and spirituality in the age of artificial intelligence. And in this channel, we usually try to find the best possible answer to a question. And today's question is how humanoid robots sense the world. How humanoid robots sense your touch, your pressure when you are having sexual or physical intimacy with your humanoid robot partner. Okay, before we will dive in, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks for your support. Now, look, humanoid robots are designed to mimic human behavior. We know that. And basically, humanoid robots rely on a sophisticated array of sensors. We have talked about sensors earlier, but not in this manner. Actually, this array of sensors to interact with their environment, and this environment includes you because you are doing something with your humanoid robot, right? These sensors allow them to detect various stimuli. Remember, various stimuli like touch, like pressure, like temperature, and motion, of course, right? So these things are very important for any kind of physically intimate act. Touch, pressure, temperature, and motion. So how touch and pressure sensors work, let us dive deep into this video. Number one is tactile tensor. Tactile tensors are similar to the human sense of touch. They can detect the presence of an object, its shape, and the force applied to it. Then come resistive sensors. What are the resistive sensors? Resistive sensors measure changes in capacitance when an object comes into contact with the sensor. Then comes temperature sensors. How the temperature sensors work? Thermostats. Suppose what are thermostats? Thermistors or thermostats. These are resistors whose resistance change with temperature. And then come thermocouples. These generate a voltage when there is a temperature difference between two junctions. And in any kind of physically intimate act, junctions, that body junctions, that means leg joints or any other joints, take a very important role. Then comes motion sensors, and in this any kind of physically intimate act, motion is important, isn't it? There comes accelerometers. These are sensors, and these sensors accelerate acceleration along three axes, remember, three axes. They can detect movement, tilt, and vibration. Then comes gyroscopes. This measures angular velocity. They can determine the rate of rotation around these axes. And then come magnetometers. What are magnetometers? These sensors measure the Earth's magnetic field. They can be used for orientation and navigation. And these all are needed for any kind of sexually intimated act or physically intimated act, right? So integration and processing, how these things happen. These sensors often work together to provide a comprehensive understanding of the robot's environment. That includes you and your motion, touch, pressure, etc. etc. For example, a robot might use a combination of tactile sensors and accelerometers to determine the force and direction of an object that has bumped into it. So you can imagine, I cannot explain this explicitly to you, but you can imagine how it happens when you are having a physically intimate act with your humanoid robot partner, right? So in summary, humanoid robots use a variety of sensors to perceive their surroundings and interact with the world in a way that is similar to humans. By combining information from these sensors, robots can make informed decisions and perform complex tasks. So we'll come back with more videos like this. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe and take care.